Today I'm going to be making homemade ice cream, and if you don't have an ice cream maker, I'll show you how to make it by using your hand mixer. Okay, the ingredients are 2 pints of heavy whipping cream, and 2 pints of half and half. And a half a cup of maple syrup and a half a cup of raw honey. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I'm going to beat for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, I've mixed it for about a minute and a half right now, and it's ready to go into the freezer. Okay, you're going to put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Then you're going to take it back out. You're going to beat it again for another minute, and then you're going to do this about 2 or 3 times. Okay, you have the other homemade ice cream in the freezer. Now I'm going to show you how to make a non-dairy homemade ice cream. And I'm using the evaporated coconut milk canned, and these are 12 ounces. And you're going to put four of them in the bowl. And then I'm going to add about a 5 ounce of organic coconut cream. It just makes it a little creamier. Okay, and then to that, half a cup of honey and a half a cup of maple syrup. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And you're going to blend it. About a minute and a half. Okay, I've blended for about a minute and a half, like the last one, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes, and then take it out and beat it again. Okay, it's been in the refrigerator for a little over 30 minutes, so I'm going to whip this up and then put it back in the freezer for another 30 minutes. Okay, it's the next day, and I mixed it up a total of 3 times. I left it in overnight to get to the right consistency, and this is a great option that you can use. If you don't have an ice cream maker, you can make this in your freezer with a mixer. So if you like this recipe, give me a like and subscribe. Okay, and don't forget that you can do the non-dairy version in case you can't have any kind of dairy.